Hi, welcome back. Another important real-time project term. Term 6, dependencies. Generally, you might have heard technically what is actually dependencies. At configuration level also, if you are an SD consultant or MM consultant, characteristics and dependencies, you heard about that. Okay, we'll leave about that. We'll think about that. What is in project, general terminology, what is dependencies? Okay, so like if you'd like to perform any task, for the task, another task need to be performed before performing the earlier task. Then the depending task we'll call it as a dependency. So dependencies are the tasks that have rely on the completion of the any parent or major or depending task. It can be major or minor, okay, depending on the before they can be performed. So I will tell you a certain example. Suppose if you are working in your project for one functional specification or business requirement like third party sales. Okay, so for third party sales, you assume that you are a SD consultant. Okay, so you would like to perform end to end. Then you required like vendor master data creation, source list creation, and vendor info record creation. All these things will be created by your MM consultant. Suppose if you would like to create order also, if purchase requisition automatically it's supposed to be performed also, all the other background settings must be created by your MM consultant. Of course, if you have knowledge on practice system, but in real time, these master data, either source list or vendor info record or vendor master data, has a responsibility of MM consultant. Set on a time, the purchase requisition is created, PO is created, Miro created, and finally you are going to do the bill. At the time of doing billing, order related billing, you have a dependency of the finance consultants. So if you really wanted to configure the billing document, order related item category and everything you perform. But when you would like to see the end-to-end results, so GL account determination must be performed. Okay, so if you want GL accounts, if you want certain profit center or cost centers, if you want some kind of accounting dependency, that GL master data, other settings need to be performed by FI consultants. So if you think that third party is the sales is the process, it has need of creating dependency on MM and FI consultants. This is one of the example. In the similar way, if you take a regular GL account determination also, the GL accounts will be created by your FI consultant. So like what is suppose if you can able to create depends on the requirement, like account assignment category for materials and customers and material master depends on the business users. That means you not only involve yourself for business requirement gathering for account determination, it has different phases to gather the requirement from other dependent functional consultant as a cross functional consultant, whatever you call it as. So he need to gather his requirements. So you club together, you will perform one business process like account determination. So you are a SD consultant, you have a dependency on FI consultant. If you are FI consultant, you have a dependency on account determination configuration from SD consultant. This is how dependencies will happens in project. So that means if you would like to perform a certain task, you are always depending on other person. So when he finished the task only, then you can able to come to that. I'll tell you another simple example. Any project highest element is client, okay, for system. So when it comes to the business process, the highest element is the company code. Suppose if you'd like to create SD side, your sales organization, distribution channel, division, other depending configuration, first company code need to be created at baseline, high level dependency. So once he created a company code, then only you can able to create other assignments for SD, whatever you call it as, depending on your functional role, what you are going to handle. So once company code is created, then only you can able to perform. So this is how the dependencies will be there. So this is dependency is the general term in the project. Like we can call it this one as, for example, uh, certain certain things. If you are discussing with customer also, if you'd like to write a functional specification based on the business inputs, what you got through CR. CR means customer requirement. So CR is the your actual dependency. CR sign off is the actual dependency to write a functional specification. In the similar way, if you take it to another level, if you write functional specification, if you find any deviation, any exit, any like baddie, bappy, it's supposed to be written, then first you have to ready with your functional specification sign off. Then only technical consultant can able to write his technical spec to take it further. Okay, in the similar way, if you take it another way, once you performed the configuration, he performed the technical, his technical specification is pending and his technical coding is pending. So then you have a dependency for, if you would like to perform unit testing, the task need to be finished by them. This is how the dependency is the common term in projects. It will come into picture. Okay, I think if you have any other doubts, you can comment. I think you like this video. You can like it. If you really wanted to know more about project terms, you can subscribe. Not only that, I'm holding 800 plus videos in my YouTube channel. And apart from that, this is my dedicated forum. Currently, I'm holding around 5,972 students and around 20 plus courses. And this is one of my prime course, like, sales and distribution. If you're an SD consultant with wholehearted effort, you can able to choose this course. And I have another couple of courses which is very common for all functional consultants, idocs with 5 scenarios and getting mastered to write functional specification. This is also one of the key course. You can able to subscribe it if you are fascinated about me. If you ask me what is the topic favorite for you, pricing. That's why I have done a couple of courses. If you really want it, you can able to give it a try. So like that, I'm just providing these links, including SD and S4 HANA and cross-functional topics also. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. We'll catch up in next term. Till then, signing off. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.